this is Roberto Ignacio, and this is Captain Under Toy Review, and this is the review of the digger, also known as the bulldozer. And there's the bulldozer over here, and here's the conveyor belt. Can't move, so you need to just push it. And here the conveyor belt is over here, and just put it back over here. So here, and here's the digger where you put the wood. Here, and just put the wood over the top. Here's the back of the digger, and just move it up and down. The driver's over here, and just see. Thank you for watching. Second for my other toy reviews. Watch it. Go for the next toy review. Like and subscribe, and then see you again soon. Bye.